Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone is automatically blocking apps, removing them, or showing message like this app is blocked from your safety, then don't worry at all. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Play product. Most of the time, Google Play product is main reason. Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon. Now go to Play product. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off scan apps with Play product. Now try opening or installing the app again. Solution 2. Allow apps from unknown sources. Go to settings app. Now scroll down and tap on app management. Then tap app list. Now select the app you are using like Chrome and File Manager. Now tap on install unknown apps. Turn on allow from this source. This is very important. Solution 3. Remove battery restrictions. Some phones block apps to save battery. Go to settings app. Then tap on battery lab. Tap battery settings. Tap battery usage. Select the blocked app. Choose unrestricted or no restrictions. Now the app won't be blocked in the background. Solution 4. Check app permissions. If permissions are missing, Android may block the app. Go to settings app. Then tap on app management. Tap app list. Here select the blocked app. Then tap permissions. Allow all required permissions, especially storage, phone or background access. Solution 6. Update your Android system. Sometimes this issue happens because of bugs. Go to settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on system. Then tap system update. Download and install the latest update. After updating, restart your phone. Solution 7. Reinstall the app. If nothing's worked, uninstall the block app. Now restart your phone. After restarting, now install it again. This usually fixes the problem completely. That's how you can fix Android phones blocking apps automatically. Just follow these steps and your apps will start working normally again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.